A video of 3 young guide dog puppies.
Meet our newest recruits. Judy,
A yellow golden retriever,
Nico,
a black golden retriever Labrador cross,
and Derek.
a yellow golden retriever Labrador cross.
These pups' journeys to become guide dogs are just beginning. Thanks to the support of people like you.
Each of the puppies plays in the grass.
They will spend time at the National Breeding Centre, where their health and temperament will be assessed.
The puppies are lovingly groomed by staff.
They'll also gain their first experiences of the world around them.
Each of the puppies is weighed. Derek stares into camera.
By sponsoring a puppy, you will be at the heart of their journey and watch them grow to become a life changer.
Back outside, each of the pups chase the camera happily. Staff members fuss Derek and Nico. Nico looks into camera.
To sponsor a puppy, please visit guidedogs.org.uk/puppy.
The guide dog's logo.
Guide dogs.